Are you tired of lag ruining your gaming experience on Xbox? Say goodbye to those frustrating interruptions and unlock the true potential of your gaming with the best Xbox VPN, ExpressVPN. It's the key to your lag-free gaming quest. With this VPN, you'll experience seamless gameplay and conquer your opponents with lightning-fast reactions. If you're interested in trying it out, check out the links in the description below for great offers ExpressVPN has for you. Now, why do we say this is the best VPN for Xbox? Well, it offers several unique advantages. First, it reduces ping and latency, giving you a competitive edge in multiplayer games. After thoroughly testing it in several games, we can confidently say that there are no more issues with rubber banding or missed shots. Also, your gaming experience is taken to a whole new level of entertainment with this VPN. You gain the power to unlock a vast world of gaming content. By changing your server location, you open the doors to a gaming realm where you can play with fellow gamers from any corner of the globe. Embrace the freedom to connect with friends, teammates, and opponents from anywhere, creating a truly borderless gaming experience. In the gaming world, where virtual battles and adventures unfold, security and privacy are of utmost importance. With ExpressVPN, you can rest assured that your personal data is shielded with the highest level of protection available, military-grade AES 256 encryption. Now you can focus on immersing yourself in the gaming experience without any distractions or concerns. Setting up ExpressVPN on Xbox is actually a breeze. It works for Xbox Series X and other Xbox consoles. It seamlessly integrates with your Xbox, providing a hassle-free setup process and maintaining a steadfast connection. No more worries about dropped connections or sluggish performance. It guarantees a smooth, uninterrupted gaming adventure. And there you have it, guys. Our verdict: ExpressVPN is secure, fast, and reliable. The ultimate companion for every Xbox gamer. So don't let lag and cyber threats hold you back. Elevate your gaming experience with the best Xbox VPN in the market. Make sure to explore the links provided in the description for incredible discounts. You can try it out risk-free for 30 days with a money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, simply reach out to their 24/7 customer support to request a refund. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on more exciting gaming-related videos. See you in the next video!